guys, it's Dakota, and we're back with our fifth and final episode about the Miracle-Gro 12 growing machine. Today we're going to be emptying the machine of the plants currently in it so that we can plant new ones and get new herbs and vegetables for our kitchen. Some things we're going to need are a couple of buckets, a rag, some paper towels, the tube that came in the packaging, maybe a towel, and some scissors. The first thing we're going to do is turn the machine off so that we can take the plants out of it before we drain the water. The on and off switch, if you forgot, is right in the back corner on our machine or one of the corners on yours, wherever the plug-in is. The first thing we're going to do is remove the cover plates and the planting frame assembly and any loose components on top of the reservoir using the custom assembly tool. So the next thing we did was remove the plants in the machine. When the roots were long enough, we cut them off. And you need to keep the black outer ring that holds the seed pod in place, but you don't need to keep anything a part of the seed pod or the old plant. Once the reservoir is empty and pretty much cleaned out of large debris, all you need to do is grab the nozzle in the center and lift up until it comes out. And then you'll put the tube in there and start the draining process. Because the root system of the lettuce plants that we grew became so long and stringy, we decided to use the custom assembly tool to unscrew the plates that held the filter and the pump in place so that we could clean those separately. And then we used a cloth to mop up the rest of the water in the reservoir, and then a paper towel to wipe it dry and clean it the rest of the way. So after we emptied and cleaned out the unit, we put everything back in its place for safe storage while we ordered more plants and seed kits. So to be continued on our next crop. Thanks for following along with our journey, and happy growing. If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.